Okay, so here we go. Hi guys, this is the lesson for le CE5C. As I said, we're going to start with Unit 5, shopping. So what is shopping? Again, so please, by the way, take your student books, page 60, and your copybooks next to you always. Don't need to say it, but please do it. I have to remind you that shopping is a shop in general. So you can shop, you can go shopping for clothes, food, utilities, tools. You can do shopping for everything, okay? So first of all, I want you to write a list of what do you know about shopping. Think about a list of things that you know about shopping. So we're going to start with reading the exercise number 2, and I'm going to read exercise number 3. Okay, so here we go. We have 1, 2, 3, and 4 images. We have 1, 2, and 3 characters. There's a guy, a girl, and a woman that is that works at the store. They're clearly in a store to buy something, some clothes. And the girl is asking, how much is that scarf? So how much is, I remind you that how much is combien? How much is that scarf? It's $6.50. For example, here in Morocco, we don't use dollars and cents. We use dirhams and cents, okay? So it would be, let's say it's here in Morocco, if you ask someone how much is that scarf, he will tell you it's 100 dirhams and 50 cents. But voilà. And how much are those sunglasses? What is a sunglass? Sunglasses, okay, Lunettes de soleil. So please take your dictionary here and write it. Sunglasses, yeah, because usually they go with a pair. Shopping, all these new words. Scarf, of course, scarf is, I'm assuming you know it, but scarf is this, écharpe. As you can see it here on the image, these are scarves. How much are those, those sunglasses? She's wearing them. They are $15, okay? So, and she says, wow, I love the jacket, and it's only $12. It's very cheap for a jacket. May I buy the jacket, please? Yes, of course, $124, please. I think she didn't see the 4. She saw only she thought it was $12, but actually it's $124. So yeah. What? It's a lot. It's a beautiful jacket, but it's a lot. It's very expensive. Expensive and cheap, by the way. When you go to shop, some things are expensive, some things are cheap. These are 2 adjectives that you need to know. So expensive and cheap are very important. So expensive means coûteux and cheap is pas cher. Okay? Please write them on your dictionary and use, this is your friend Google Translate for everything, okay? Translate, help you with listening if you didn't understand a word. Like for example, here we have those. We'll study them later, but if you want to know what those means, those is, so how much are those sunglasses? Combien coûtent ces lunettes de soleil? Okay? Just in case you need to know. So now for exercise number 3, you're gonna listen to me and repeat at home, okay? So number 1 is jacket, okay? Number 2, swimsuit. Number 3, watch. Number 4, bracelet. It's like in French. It's written the same, bracelet, bracelet. Just the pronunciation is different. 5, wallet. 6, handbag. 7, umbrella. 8, gloves. And 9, sunglasses. Okay? So I want you to write every word here because they're all new words. We have to know them. Okay? So jacket, swimsuit, and etc. etc. Okay? All of them. Okay? Jacket, swimsuit, watch, bracelet, wallet. And come here and do the translation. For example, wallet is portefeuille. Okay? Umbrella is parapluie. Jacket, of course, is la veste or la jaquette. And we have swimsuit, which is maybe difficult. Swimsuit, maillot de bain. Okay? So I want you to write for, first of all, we have lessons. So when do we have lessons, by the way? C5C, we have lessons on Monday, Thursday, and Friday. Okay, so we're gonna do Monday, Thursday, and Friday. These are our lessons of the week. So on Monday, we're gonna start with page 60. Page 60, exercise 3, yep. No, exercise 4, exercise 3, write a sentence for each item. Item is article, hein? Item. For each item, write a sentence. For example, he says, I like the blue jacket. How much is the jacket? I wear swimsuit in summer. My father bought a new watch. My sister has a new bracelet. I need a new wallet. Voilà. All these sentences you can invent, make sentences for, so 9 sentences, okay? That's all you're gonna do. And read this and write these words on your dictionary. Voilà. Okay? I'm gonna check page, whoops, whoa. Then we're gonna turn the page and go to page 61. And we have here, this section is called look. What is look? Look, okay? Look, questions and answers, okay? We have some questions here. If you go to a store, you have to ask this question. What is a store? Okay, magasin, boutique. Huh? If you go to a store and you need to ask questions, this is what you will ask, and this is the answer that we will give. For example, someone who is at the store, you ask him how much is this or that jacket. It's $90.50, okay? How much are those sunglasses? They're $30. This is singular, this is plural. These, those, okay? They are $30, okay? So these are the questions, these are the answers. Okay, so I want you to make 3 sentences here with questions about items, okay? Choose 3 items here and ask on exercise 5, okay? Choose 3 items. Page 61, choose 3 items from exercise 5 and make 3 sentences, okay? And make 3 questions, sorry. And answer. Okay, For example, here, how much is that handbag? It's $59.50. Very easy. You can invent prices. Really, you don't have to make, you have to make up prices. Don't make it difficult, make it very easy. And it's only three sentences, 3 questions, okay? And here on exercise number 6, you have look and imagine prices, then role play the conversation. For example, you can ask your father, your mother, or your sister or brother if you have one, and role play the conversation. What is role play? Role play is jeu de rôle. So basically, you ask question A, and he or she answers B, and you ask A, okay? And reverse. They ask you number A, and you answer 3, and you answer B, etc., etc., okay? So try to do exercise number 6 as well. Oops. Exercise number 6. And you can use these, of course: pen, candy, guitar, drum set, computer, t-shirt, scarf, sandals. I'm gonna repeat: pen, candy, guitar, drum set, computer, t-shirt, scarf, sandals. Try to read them. They're very easy to read, and repeat them. Pen, candy, guitar, drum set, computer, t-shirt, scarf, sandals. Okay, so how much is that t-shirt? It's $15.35. Can I buy it, please? Or, oh no, it's too expensive. Or, do you have anything less expensive? Do you have anything cheap? Okay, so role play and do exercise number 6. All right, so that's it for lesson on Monday. You just have to do this. And now we're gonna go to the lesson for Thursday, lesson number 2 for Thursday. Okay, so I'm gonna stop the recording and keep going. Okay, here we go for lesson number 2 for Thursday. We have exercise. We're gonna start with number 7. Oops, sorry. I'm gonna start with exercise number 7, which is a vocabulary exercise, basically. You have new words, 4 new words here: hoodie, belt, cheap, expensive, tight, baggy, old-fashioned, and modern. Okay, so all of these on your dictionary, please. Okay, so hoodie, belt, cheap, expensive, tight, baggy, etc. All of them, huh? All of them, and we're gonna look for them here. We're gonna look for them in the dictionary. So hoodie is quite easy. Okay, this is it. Belt is, okay, cheap, expensive. This is a, what is this? Le casque. The new word, please. It's helmet. Okay, cheap helmet, expensive helmet. Tight. Okay, tight jeans. It's an adjective, but you can use it for, you can use this adjective for jeans. You can say, oh, I'm wearing tights right now. Okay, and baggy is jeans. a type of jeans, okay? Gonflé means, okay? Like very large, okay? Then we have this, old-fashioned and modern. Well, modern is quite easy, but old-fashioned is the opposite of modern. Okay? Vieux, démodé. Here we go. Modern. Sometimes also the old-fashioned can be cool. It doesn't have to be bad. Okay? So exercise number 8 is listen to the song and write. So we're not gonna do it. And we're gonna skip directly to exercise number 9. Look and say, jacket, tight, and try to describe her, like here. Her sunglasses are too big. Her tights are blue. Her scarf is very long. Her jacket is pink, etc., etc. Okay? Socks, baggy, sunglasses, big. Baggy, is she wearing a baggy? No. So she is not wearing a baggy. She's wearing a tight, etc., etc. Okay? So Thursday, read exercise 7, page, what page is this? 62, and exercise 9. Exercise 9, okay? That's it for today, and we're gonna go to the next lesson, the third lesson, lesson number 3 for Friday, okay? So that's it. You can stop the recording now and wait for Friday. Okay, so here we go for Friday lesson, the last lesson of the week. And basically, it's going to be very easy. I just want you to read the story and look for difficult words in the dictionary, basically. So here we have a story. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 cases. And maybe you will find words that you don't understand. So you go here and you look for them and you write them on your dictionary. Look how many words we have. We have so many. And eventually in this story too, maybe you will find some words that you don't know. So you add them here. Okay? So I'm going to read the story for you now and just listen to me. So, how much is the jacket? 500 ICE dollars. It's a new currency. Can you show us the way to the lake? Sure. At the frozen lake. Wow, there are a lot of fish in this lake. This is a lake, huh? Wow, who is this guy? And then she gets pushed in the lake. Wow, in the frozen lake. Says, help. Wow, and they fish her out. And he says, are you okay? Kinda, yes. And the wolf or the dog is chasing this guy. He says, Ooch, get away from me. And he snapped it. He says, hey, Gizmo, what's this? He says, come on, let's go back to town. Okay? So please, at home, talk about the pictures, then listen and read. Look at this guy, he's mysterious. He's the villain. We have the villain here. And there's a good question. Why does Smith push Polly into the water? So this is Smith, this is Polly. And why does he push her? Because he's mean, because he's not a good guy, because he's a bad guy. So yeah, maybe if you're interested to write the answers in your copybook, write them. Otherwise, you can write the questions like, why does Smith push Polly into the water? And try to give an answer. try to give an answer. Huh? Okay, try to give an answer. All right. So yeah, that's it. This is it for lesson of Friday. This is it for the week, actually. So I'm gonna show you again. This is what you have to do for Monday, Thursday, and Friday. That's it. So I hope this isn't too difficult for you guys. I hope it's easy. I hope you manage to do it. If you have any questions, let me know. And yeah, that's it. Have a good weekend and see you next week. Bye.